Seeing your world. From the moment you open your eyes in the morning, you see the world around you. Your sense of sight helps you get dressed, play sports, read books, and see your friends. It keeps you safe by letting you look for cars as you cross the street. You can even see your own face when you look in a mirror. Each day, your eyes see thousands of colors, shapes, and movements. Just how does this amazing sense work, though? Let's find out. Your body has 5 senses. These are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. Your senses help keep you safe. They also help you enjoy the world around you. I see it! Light in your world. In order to see the world around us, we need light. In the daytime, light usually comes from the sun. At night, we switch on lamps and other types of lighting. When light from the sun or a lamp hits an object, the light bounces or reflects off the object. Your eyes capture this reflected light. Then your eyes and brain work together to allow you to see the object. If you stand in a completely dark room, you can't see the objects around you. That's because there is no light reflecting off the objects. Your eyes are still working, but there is no light for your eyes to capture. 1. Light hits the sunflowers. The sun. 2. The sunflowers reflect the light. 3. Your eyes capture the reflected light and you see the sunflowers. Check out your eyes. Without your eyes or eyeballs, you wouldn't be able to see everything that's going on around you. Your eyeballs are safely tucked inside your head, so you can only see a small part of them. The white part of your eye that you can see is a tough outer covering called the sclera. The round colored part of your eyeball is called the iris. In the center of your iris is a pupil. Each of your eyeballs is about the size of a ping pong ball. Your pupil looks black, but it's actually a small round opening with an important job to do. Every time you blink, your eyelids clean your eyes and moisten them. If you didn't blink, your eyes would get dirty and dry. You can make yourself blink, but your eyelids also blink without you even thinking about it. The irises of a person's eyes can be brown, green, or blue. Iris, pupil, sclera, eyelid. I have blue eyes. What's inside your eyeball? Each of your eyes is covered with a see-through dome-shaped layer of tissue called the cornea. The cornea captures light and directs it into your eye through your pupil. Once the light is inside your eye, it hits another see-through part called the lens. The job of your lens is to focus light onto the back of your eyeball. This back part of your eye is called the retina. Tiny muscles in your irises can make your pupils get bigger or smaller. If light is very bright, your pupils get smaller. This stops too much light from entering your eyes. If there's not enough light, your pupils get bigger. This lets as much light into your eyes as possible. Small pupil. Big pupil. It's too bright! This picture shows what's inside your eyeball. Sclera, cornea, light, pupil, iris, lens, retina. Making pictures. Each of your retinas contains millions of tiny cells called rods and cones. The light that your eye has captured hits these cells. The hard-working rods and cones collect lots of information from the light. Then they use the information to create a picture. The picture is sent as messages along your optic nerve to your brain. The picture created by your retina is actually upside down. Light, lens, light, retina, to your brain, optic nerve. I'm right side up! Look at this dog and ball. The reflected light from the picture is entering each of your eyes and hitting its retina. It's the job of the cones in the retina to detect the colors in the reflected light. The rods detect black, white, and gray. They also detect the shapes of things. Your rods and cones use the information they collect to send a picture of the dog and ball to your brain. Each of your retinas contains about 120 million rods and 7 million cones. Your brain gets busy. The upside-down picture created by your retina speeds along your optic nerve. When your brain receives the picture, it flips it the right way up. Then your brain figures out what the picture shows. In an instant, you see the object you were looking at. Your amazing eyes and brain help you see shapes, movements, and about 10 million different colors. We're upside down! Every second your eyes are open, pictures of your world are zooming from your eyes to your brain. Amazing eyeballs! Look up, look down, look at something far away or something that's near to you. Your busy eyes have lots of ways to make sure you see everything around you. To do their job, the lenses in your eyes can actually change shape. To make sure you can see objects that are very near to you, your lenses get thicker. When you want to look at something that's far away, your lenses get thinner. Each of your eyeballs has 6 tiny muscles attached to it. The muscles help you move your eyes up and down and side to side. Model of an eyeball. Muscles. Hey, look around! When you look at the dog that's near to you, this is what you see. The lenses in your eyes get thicker. When you look at the sunflowers that are far away, this is what you see. The lenses in your eyes get thinner. Help with seeing. Not everyone sees in the same way. Some people can't see things clearly that are far away. Others can see things in the distance, but have trouble seeing things that are up close. These differences in sight can happen if parts of a person's eyes are not doing their jobs. Usually, it's possible for people to wear glasses or contact lenses to improve how they see. The lenses in our eyes may not focus light onto our retinas properly. This means that pictures created by the retinas are fuzzy. Wearing glasses or contact lenses helps fix this. I can see the words now. Often, people's eyes don't see as well as they get older. Think of all the adults you know. How many of them wear glasses? Some people are blind and have a guide dog. A guide dog is trained to keep its owner safe. Guide dogs can help their owners cross the street and lead them onto buses and trains. A guide dog. Take care of your eyes. All day, every day, your eyes are keeping you safe and helping you have fun. In fact, your sense of sight is the busiest of all your senses. It's very important, therefore, that you take good care of your eyes. If you play sports such as football or hockey, you can wear a helmet with a shield to protect your eyes. On sunny days, wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from bright sunlight. Taking good care of your amazing eyes will help them keep on taking care of you. If you watch TV or look at your phone or a computer for too long, it will make your eyes tired. Every 20 to 30 minutes, try to give your eyes a rest and spend some time away from the screen. If your eyes hurt or feel tired, tell a grown-up. Also, tell your teacher if you're having trouble seeing the board at school or seeing the words in your books. Then you can arrange to see an eye doctor and get an eye checkup. Glossary. Cells. Very tiny parts of a living thing. Your bones, muscles, skin, hair, and every part of you are made of cells. Cones. Cells in your retinas that detect colors in the light that enters your eyes. Contact lenses. Small see-through discs that some people wear on their eyes to help improve their sight. Contact lenses are placed onto a person's corneas. Cornea. A see-through dome-shaped layer of tissue that covers your iris and pupil. The cornea captures light and directs it into your eye. Iris. The colored circular part of your eye. Lens. A see-through part of your eye that focuses light onto the retina. Moisten. Make something slightly wet. Optic nerve. A group of cells that carry information from the retina in your eye to your brain. Pupil. A small, round opening in the center of your eye. The pupil looks black, but it's actually a small hole that allows light to enter your eye. Retina. The back wall of your eyeball. Cells, called rods and cones in your retinas, take the light that enters your eyes and help turn it into the things you see. Rods. Cells in your retinas that detect shapes in the light that enters your eyes. Rods also detect black, white, and gray. Sclera. The white part of your eye. The sclera is a tough outer covering for the eyeball. Sense. One of the 5 ways that you collect information about the world around you. Your senses are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. Tissue. A group of connected cells in your body that work together. Cells are very tiny parts of a living thing. Skin tissue, for example, is made up of skin cells.